Okay guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm doing a tech video. This will be on the Galaxy S8 Plus. Okay, the screen on it is damaged, so we want to see if it's still gonna be usable without replacing the screen. Yeah. So what we'll need for this is we'll need a USB hub Type C, as the Galaxy S8 Plus has a Type C connection. So on this USB hub we have a USB port, we have HDMI port, we have a Type C port here. This is gonna be used for charging while this cable is plugged into the S8 Plus in our cell phone. So we're gonna need, here we have the HDMI cable as for display. We have USB mouse, but this one is wireless, guys. So our wireless USB mouse. Do not recommend Bluetooth mouse, as you won't be able to get into the settings, so you could connect the Bluetooth mouse. So either a wired or a wireless USB mouse would be suitable. Okay, and the charger, Type C charger here. Okay. So we'll be putting all of this together, and then we'll see whether or not the phone will still be usable with the broken screen, damaged screen. Okay guys, so now I'll be connecting everything together. So our wireless dongle goes in the USB port. The charger goes into the Type C connection. HDMI cable goes into the HDMI port, and the Type C connector goes into the S8 Plus. Okay guys, now moment of truth. We're gonna see if the phone is still usable. Okay guys, so for this setup, I forgot to mention that you'll need a monitor. So any monitor with an HDMI connection will work. Okay, so I'm gonna plug the HDMI cable into the HDMI port on my TV, because I'm using my TV for this setup. Okay. Okay, moment of truth, guys. Here we have it. The phone does come up still usable without repairs, without replacing the screen. And for this setup, you could use it to retrieve data from a phone with damaged screen, or you could just continue using the phone with this screen damaged. Okay, and it has two modes. It also supports Samsung Dex. It's like a desktop mode, but I'll be doing another video to tell you more about Samsung Dex, like a desktop mode for the flagship phones from Samsung. Okay, so that, like the high-end phones like S8 Plus, um, S21 Ultra, those types of phones, they support Samsung Dex. Okay, guys, thank you for watching the video, guys. Remember to like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell, guys, so whenever I do a video you get a notification. And thanks to all my supporters.